Kato production.
Black tongue check insanity and spit white lies behind the troop of militant rhymes and ignorant lines and tight eyes. Speaking true again, the super loose lips. Shockwaves break the shame of vowing out with trueness like two bricks to split the head. The evidence will be red like the fire in my veins. I bring the heat when I bled. I'm from the smoke when I wrote that made you choke when I spoke. Like there's a note in the throat that's dissonant with your hopes. So cope with that, but there's not much you can do to pursue the cool. You lose, so you're stuck to and fool to its rule. While I rule over tools, I fuse his poems to grind. Elegance with intelligence and visions with rhymes. Watch my shoes stay shiny after 12:01. The ones I'm walking in, I'm staying in until I'm done. They shine brighter when I run, not my feet but my mouth. I speak my mind, then I kill them with a grin and I'm out. Yeah. What's the price of getting ends? Is it pride or is it friends? Is it practice in the fall? We don't really care at all. What's the fear of getting old? Is it giving up our soul? Is it practice in the fall? We don't really care at all.
NGS the crib keeper coming with the wicked flow. Filling the syringe and I jam it to your temple. Inject my thoughts in your mind, tell you where to go. Stole your soul, my intellect will show you what I know. Follow me in real life, not just on Twitter. Come along with me into the Mississippi River. A madman coming from the Midwest, mad town. Any who oppose, I'll grab you by your head and make you drown. And any who ain't interested, just kill yourself. If you don't wanna lend a hand, then I don't even need your help. Fall into a world like you melted off the ice shelf. The rise of our ocean benefits everybody's health. We came out of nowhere like left field, do stealth. I've stung you with a drug and it's the best thing you ever felt. Be aware that I'm the face she sees when your girl creams, and I'm that horrid nightmare in your worst dreams. What's the price of getting ends? Is it pride or is it friends? Is it practice in the fall? We don't really care at all. What's the fear of getting old? Is it giving up our souls? Is it practice in the fall? We don't really care at all.
Excellence across a barren wasteland. The exodus is starving with no exit plan. A strategy to wrestle with a transcendental beast. Ready to feast, talking to the seas. Often rise a piece, split it piece by piece with a piece. So decrease the effort and the knowledge to combine. To combine the rhyme and proper time. Is it fine to slide through? Crossing out of the high Jew. Struggle from a high view. The prodigies of our crew. Laughing, never mind you. Face my mind with the time. Never been reminded signs of conscious kid to rise to find. A kill attack, backpack, rap. No sapping the second killer act. Mostly a track. Boom, gorilla track. Step back, get wrecked on the set and it's on. From come along to a long way to act in reality. Three deadly mentalities with the thirst of ambition. No, we won't stop. Oh no, we won't stop till we finish the mission. What's the price of getting ends? Is it pride or is it friends? Is it practice in the fall? We don't really care at all. What's the fear of getting old? Is it giving up our soul? Is it practice in the fall? We don't really care at all.